At the peak of my cleaning company, I probably had maybe like 20 something, 25 or some accounts. But when I got to working for them, then I'm managing hundreds of contracts at once, and I'm the operation man. I got to go inspect every single. So I got to see any type of contract pretty much in the commercial space. I'd have been through it, and I had to coach these unit franchise owners how to handle these situations, because I had already did it on my side of things, but it's just not at that scale. And so that experience definitely was the biggest game changer for sure. Shout out to Justin Cowley though. He was the guy who hired me from Jam Pro. But I remember when he first hired me and I wanted to quit. And he didn't want me to quit yet because I was good at the job. And so he was like, well, I would imagine that for what you're trying to do, because he saw what I already had, like my starter kit and stuff online. So he was like, well, I would imagine that for what you're trying to do, this going to help you anyway. And so I really got to give him his credit. Like first, he definitely like saved me just by giving me the job. You know what I mean? And then also by like giving me that nugget to let me know, like, you're right, I am going to need this experience later on.